Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to restore a deleted Google Calendar event. So, first of all, I would just delete an event here and I would just select this event, FYP conference on the 6th of April, and I would just double click on this. And in here, I would select delete from more options. And yes, this event has been deleted. I could, of course, restore it right away by clicking on undo and the event would be restored. But if I have deleted it previously, let me show this again. I would select delete and here it has been deleted. Now what I need to do is I need to go to the place where I have all my previous deleted events. So what we do is we go to the settings icon on the top rightish side of our screen, and in here we select trash. Now this is where all of our deleted events would go when we delete them. And in here, this is the calendar I was using. So as you could see here at the very top is the FYP conference. And if I just click on this little dustbin, the event would be deleted permanently and I could empty my trash. But since I want to restore it right now, what I would do is I would just select this little arrow. And when I click on this, the event is restored. You could read it from there. And then I would click on this arrow back again. And as you can see, this event has been restored. So this is how you could restore any event, any deleted event from your Google Calendar. There is no restriction as to if it has to be a recurring event or if it is a one-time event. You could restore all sort of events. And yes, as long as you do not delete the actual calendar itself, you would be able to restore any events from the trash. And this is how you could restore any events on Google Calendar.